SEO link building service. The importance of link building in your SEO efforts. Link building is one of the most important steps you can take to improve your SEO. It's the process of acquiring links to your website from high-quality websites. A link is a connection between two websites. When you submit a link to a website, that website becomes aware of your site. A plethora of link building strategies exist, but the most common are link sharing, link building and acquiring links. The goal for any successful strategy is to enhance visibility for a site by increasing its authority and believability with search engines. The benefits of link building include increased traffic to your website, better SEO, and increased brand awareness. Link building can propel the visibility of a website in search engine results pages and facilitate trust with potential customers. With the help of our link building service, you can easily improve your website's ranking and visibility. Click the link in the bio. Follow us on social media.